Teheezy XVG. Scissor. Vicious. Yeah. Inside the booth is where we bring the truth to speak. I took the move through the XVs to prove, to express my love for music with strong passion. Using the Uzi with a sword lyrically to cause bruises to these instrumentals. Instrumentalists on such levels with or without a pencil to settle differences. With crazy fundamentals against the Illuminati we rebel. Deceiving lies to bring the truth even when I'm dead. Spiritually forever living. Teheezy XVG, leaving my legacy endlessly so others can hit the pedigree on the lies the world heavily speak. But Lord, don't let me sell my soul. Bust the bubble, remove me away from the devil. I know you two are in a rumble. I'm not afraid, I can't allow me to fumble or crumble. We stumble, yes, reaching from eternal. So thank you for strengthening muscles that were weak, keeping me humble. I'm ready to speak, I'm tired of the trouble. I'm in the cemetery, dig up my corpse. Allow me to take the shovel. Refreshing, I use our struggle as strength to solve these puzzles. Even if the pieces are shuffled, I won't crumble. The pain I place in a bottle go silent, returning using fire. I bundle with anger, you help control. God, I simply love you. Now, who I am, I'm Vicious, the evil twin of TJ. Teheezy, whoever I am. But the thoughts I never mention, Vicious does like Shady does for Eminem. Teheezy XVG.